What is Bitcoin? Technically defined, Bitcoin is the first worldwide application to take advantage of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a method of storing copies of the same set of data across many different locations and synchronizing the changes to that data across all the locations, such that if any one or any amount less than 50% of those locations become corrupted or attacked, the rest of the network identifies the incorrect data and blocks it. Bitcoin utilizes blockchain to store data, where the data is a currency. Unlike government-issued currencies, Bitcoin has a limited supply and thus cannot be inflationary. Other advantages to Bitcoin over government-issued currencies are transportability, security against seizure, low transaction costs, fast transfer times for larger sums, and the inability of intermediaries such as banks or the government to block transfers of a user's private funds. Besides the technical definition, Bitcoin also represents ideals related to human rights, such as the right to own property.